Okay, you guys, so today we're gonna deep clean my bathroom. And I bought some new products today. I wanna just try them out. So today I'll be trying the OxiClean Foam-tastic. It sprays blue and then you let it sit and then it turns white. Let's see, because I don't know. Do not mind my bathroom. So, I've been reading my comment section and some of y'all have been saying that all her videos, they're not dirty. Like, she cleans things that's already clean. No, it was dirty. So this time I'm just going to I'll wait for a special moment. So I'm removing everything out of my tub and I'm gonna deep clean this tub. You can also purchase this from Walmart, but I'm gonna tag the link down below so you can get it from my link, okay? Okay. The wall first and then work my way down. Yeah, this is the blue one. So basically this sprays out blue and then it'll turn white for you to clean. Look at it! I didn't think this through because I had to get in there to scrub this wall, but maybe okay. That was a workout and I liked it. I enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this because I felt like I had to like scrub, but really not, because that's the whole point of it turning white, is like you know that it's clean, it's getting all that gunk, that dirt, and all you have to do is swipe. Now I'm about to rinse. Come and make it rain down on me. I'm crazy. This is how my tub looks now. All shiny. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Toilet is clean too. Alrighty, now it's time to clean the sink and my mirror. I like to leave my toilet seat down. I don't like the fact of looking into a toilet, even though I cleaned it. You know when you walk into somebody's house and they leave their toilet seat up, it's like, oh my god, cringe. I don't like that. So I'm gonna save this for later, but I'm about to go in with my wipes one more time. I'm actually gonna put this in the laundry. It'll be all right. Alrighty. Ooh, hey. Because hair and makeup get everywhere. I would love to have a vanity dresser. And it'd be easy to clean because I'm doing everything in one spot. I don't like going all the way to the bathroom to do my makeup and hair. Alrighty. gonna dump the trash really fast, and then I'll come back and do the floors. I also bought this from Walmart too. I just wanted to try it out. It's a wet and dry mop sweeper. I think this was about $12. So of course it comes with a sweeper. It comes with dry cloth and wet cloth. Let's see. Okay, here's the bottom part. Okay. I didn't think it was gonna be like this. It's easy to attach. You just squeeze these little, I don't know if y'all can see them really good. These two little things right here, you just squeeze them and just put it in the hole. Behave, Jamie, behave. Oh, okay. Yay, Jamie did it! Yay, yeah! Alrighty, so. I don't have to use other products. So I thought it came with dry wipes that you can keep dry and that you can get wet, but these are already wet. I like that. And then these are the dry. So what I'm gonna do, of course, put the dry first. I'm gonna sweep first, then mop. I like this. It's very convenient. It's like you can, this is what it looked like. For this to be $12 and it comes with the wet and dry towels. I like it. You'll press it down on the ground and then you'll press it and put it in the hole. Okay. I feel like the pricing is really nice. It's very easy to put on. I didn't really have to read the box. As y'all can see, I was just like, is it 2 or 1? It's 1. And think of it like this, because if you keep using a broom, you're just creating more bacteria and germs, and people don't, they don't realize it. Like every time you sweep, you're collecting all that dirt. So every time you sweep, yes, you clean all that dirt or whatever it is on the ground, but you put in more bacteria in the ground. Like I get to dispose this. Yay, I like it, I like it, I like it. And then it comes with the wet version too. Like, what? I'm actually gonna tag this down below. Hopefully it's available for me to tag because this is a win, you guys. I love that. I should have put some gloves on, but it'll be alright. Oopsie! The head popped off. Okay. perfect. Now I'm about to put the wipes on. I really like this. If you have hardwood floor or tile floor, you will really like this. I don't really like carpet because, like I said, carpet holds a lot of bacteria and germs, things you can't see. And I feel like I should have used some gloves, but I wasn't thinking. But it'd be alright. What was I saying? Oh my goodness, I really like this. It makes me want to do this every day. Clean, 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 clean.